Alright, I don't like it. What is up, you guys? It's Carn. How are you? In today's video, I'm going to be trying the new brow pencil from Fenty Beauty. It's called the Brow MVP. This product came out 2 months ago. It's on my brows right now. Let me just tell you the details on the website real quick. It says that it's an ultra-fine retractable brow pencil made for hair-like precision. Born in a groundbreaking range of 14 long-wear, waterproof, smudge-resistant shades, plus a built-in paddle brush for effortless blending and styling. And also, I'm just gonna take this time to I actually just hit 4,000 subscribers, and just to celebrate, I'm doing a giveaway. 2 lucky winners. Each winner will win a 500 Hong Kong dollar Sephora gift card. If you would like to know how to win this giveaway, just stay tuned till the end of the video. And I got the Brow MVP pencil in the shade Black Brown. So that's paddle brush. Honestly, it reminds me of an artiste brush, and the pencil itself is this thin. This is what my brows look like without any product on. So far, I like it. Wow, this color really matches my brow hair perfectly. So the way I do my brows is I just draw like very short strokes, just like trying to imitate brow hair. Yeah, I like this brow pencil. It's really hard to mess a brow pencil up. Most of the time, it's not the product itself, it's the technique of the person using it. It's quite hard to mess the brow product up. It just depends on the claims. Is it waterproof? I really like the way that it's making my brow look. I'm done with this brow. What do you think? So I'm just gonna quickly do the other side. I like it. I'm done, and I'm just gonna use the brush to blend everything in. So this is the look. I don't like it. I love it. What I loved about this, it's easy to blend because of the brush. The formula is creamy, but not too creamy to the point that it's easy to be removed. The color selection, the range of the shades. What I didn't like about it, it's not the product itself. I like the packaging. It's just that since it's white, you have to clean it up. Maybe that's the concealer or the brow product itself, but this is clearly the brow product. I like the design. It's simple, it's white, but just give it a wipe every time you're done, because I can see in the long run that if you don't wipe this or clean it, it's not gonna maintain the whiteness of the pencil. My battery just died, yay. Anyways, we're back here. So I did get it from T Galleria. This retails for $20 US, 168 Hong Kong dollars. When I paid for it, the lady at the counter said that Fenty Beauty was having a 10% off everything, so I ended up paying $151 for it. I'm not sure if the promotion is still ongoing, but T Galleria is having a 10% off everything for Fenty Beauty, so you could go check that out. Now on to the giveaway. Once again, thank you everyone for reaching me to 4,000 subscribers. They will be randomly drawn. These are the rules for the giveaway. So you have to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You also need to be a follower on my Instagram account. You can either comment, or you can comment on both my Instagram posts and my YouTube video. Just comment down a product that you really love. Say hi, say how are you, or something like that, and you're automatically entered for the giveaway. Oh my god, this is the easiest giveaway ever. The rules for the giveaway will also be precisely listed down in the details in the description box. There will be one winner in each platform. So a winner will be randomly chosen from the YouTube comments, and also a winner will be randomly chosen from the Instagram comments. So there's 2 winners. It's open internationally, so anyone can enter. The giveaway will be ongoing until the end of November. Today is November fail. I will be announcing it through YouTube and Instagram. By the way, I just want to give a special shout out to my best friend Jennifer. Her YouTube channel is Jennifer XXOO. She's been really supportive with me going back to YouTube. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to her as well. So I'll see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.